If you have your engine idled up too high, your clutch will start to engage and it'll actually just go ahead and spin a little bit, and it makes this awful like knocking noise. Sounds like you're about to blow up your Ducar engine. But so I've seen some other people like, I should probably upgrade the engine. You don't need to upgrade the engine at all. You need to take a screwdriver and adjust that black screw over there and to where this thing is idled just right. You see, now the blade is spinning. So if you take this right here and you back it off, that clutch will stop engaging and you won't get that knocking noise.